problems related to rectangle and square. Take first example. What is given? Given the length of a rectangular plot is twice its breadth. It is given in question that length is twice of breadth. So let breadth be equals to x, then according to question length L equals to what? Twice x. Also it is given that perimeter of plot is 210 meters. So perimeter equals to what? 210 meters. Draw a figure related to question. Length is what? Twice x. Breadth is what? X. So A, B, C, D. Now perimeter of rectangle equals to what? Twice into length add up breadth. According to question, perimeter is given 210 meter equals to twice into L is what? 2x. Add up. B is what? X. This implies 210 meter equals to 2 into 3x. This implies x equals to 210 meter divided by 2 into 3. So what will you get? You will get x equals to 35 meter. So x is what? Breadth. This is 35 meter and L is what? Length, that is equals to twice x. So 2 into 35 meter, it means 70 meter. Now what you have to find out? You have to calculate area equals to what? So area of rectangular plot equals to what? Length multiplied by breadth. What is length? Length is 70 meter multiply breadth is what? 35 meter. So after solving this, you will get 2450 meter square. This is what? Area of rectangular plot, what you have to find out. So by using this technique, we can solve this problem. Next question. This is second problem. What we have to given? It is given that the longer side of a rectangular hall is 24 meter. So according to given situation, draw a figure. This is rectangular hall whose longer side is 24 meter and the length of its diagonal is 26 meter. So one of its diagonal is given, that is what? 26 meter. Find area of hall. What we have to given? Given length of diagonal D equals to 26 meter. Length of this rectangular hall is what? 24 meter. And what we have to find out? Area of hall equals to what? So to calculate the area of hall, what we have to need? First you need length and second you have to need breadth. Length is given, but what's about breadth? First of all you have to find out breadth. If you are able to find out breadth, then you can easily calculate area of hall by using formula L into B. So for this purpose, one more thing is given. Diagonal of this rectangular hall is 26 meter. So by using this clue, we can easily find out diagonal square equals to length square add up breadth square. So what you have to find out? You have to find out breadth. This implies B square equals to D square minus L square. and b equals to root over d square minus l square. What is d? D is given 26 meter whole square minus what is L? This is 24 meter whole square. So by using formula a square minus b square, you can easily find out a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. This is meter. So b equals to what? B equals to root over, this is 50 into 2 meter. This implies b equals to 10 meter. So what you calculated? You can have calculated breadth equals to 10 meter. Now you can easily find out the area of hole. So area of hole equals to what? L into B. L is given and what it is given? 24 meter multiplied 10 meter. So 240 meter square is area of hole. So this is your final answer. That means by using diagonal, first calculate breadth, and after calculating breadth you can easily find out area of this rectangular hole by using this formula. Area of hole equals to length multiplied by breadth. Moving on, next problem. Problem number 3. It is given that a rectangular plot is 75 meter by 60 meter, has two roads, each 4 meter wide, running through the middle of the lawn. One parallel to length and other parallel to breadth. Situation. This is a rectangular plot having length 75 meter and breadth 60 meter. There are two roads which is like this. One is parallel to length, other is parallel to breadth. What you have to find out? You have to find out the cost of graveling the road at rate of 5 per meter square. So in order to find out the cost of graveling, first you have to calculate what? Area of this road. What is the area of road? After then, if you are able to find out the area of road, simply multiply that area by 5 per meter square. That will give you cost of graveling. So first procedure is to calculate the area of this road. So in order to calculate the area, suppose this is first road having area A1. This is second road having area A2. It is also given that the width of each road is 4 meter. This means 4 meter. This is also 4 meter. So in order to calculate area A1, first of all draw this figure having area A1. This is 75 meter. This is 4 meter. So A1 equals to L multiplied B. L is what? 75 meter multiply 4 meter. What will you get? You get 300 meter square. So area A1 equals to what? 300 meter square. Now area A2 equals to, you have to calculate area A2. So consider this path. This is 4 meter and this is what? 60 meter. So area A2 equals to 4 meter multiply 60 meter This implies A2 equals to 240 meter square. Now, what will be the area of this total path? That means shown over here in hatched portion. So, in order to calculate area of path, that is total area of path, if you will add this A1 and this A2, then you can able to find out area of road. But one problem is what? Problem is while calculating area of road, this portion is calculated 2 times. So what you have to do? You have to subtract, that means this portion, what is length? 4 meter, and what is breadth? This is also 4 meter. Simply calculate area, that means area equals to 4 into 4 meter square, that is 16 meter square. Now subtract this area in this total area. So area of path equals to A1, add up A2 minus 16 meter square. This implies 300, add up 240 meter square minus 16 meter square, that is 540 minus 16 meter square, that is what will you get? 524 meter square. Now cost of graveling. Cost of graveling equals to what? 524 meter square multiply 5 per meter square, that means 5 per meter square. This will be in rupee. This meter square will get cancelled out, and you will get rupees 2620. This is final answer. That will be the cost of graveling the roads.